how to fix your webcam not working on Google Chrome. So the first thing you need to do is just go and open up the start menu on your computer. You can then search for settings and click on this window. In the left hand side, select privacy and security, then scroll down to camera and click on this. Make sure camera access is turned on and enabled. Make sure let apps access your camera is also toggled to on. You then need to scroll down to let desktop apps access your camera and make sure this is turned on. And if you see Google Chrome in this list, also make sure that's turned on. You can then go and close out of this window and we're going to open up Google Chrome. You then need to click on this icon in the address bar, click on site settings, scroll down to camera and click on the drop down arrow. Make sure this is set to allow, and you also want to do the same for microphone as well. Make sure they're both set to allow. Now once you've done that, you can click on this reload button here and you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's not working, then click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, then scroll down to settings and click on this. Click on privacy and security, then scroll down and click on site settings. You can then scroll down to camera, click on this, click on the drop down arrow next to your camera and go and select the webcam or the camera that you want to use. Make sure default behavior is set to sites can ask to use your camera, and where it says not allowed to use your camera, make sure no websites are blocked in this list, as that can also cause your camera not to work. Now if you have tried all of these steps so far and you're still having an issue, the final solution is to go and open up the start menu, search for device manager and click on this window. You could then click on the drop down arrow next to cameras, go and right click on your webcam and press uninstall device. You can then press uninstall. Once this has been uninstalled, go and right click on cameras, click on scan for hardware changes, and then you can go and launch back up Google Chrome, and that should have now fixed your webcam issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.